Hello everybody, my name is Sample Lady Fashion. I want to cut a men kaftan. They call it senator. Now I want to cut it. So I've already read the line. I don't know, my distance is not recording before. So look at the line. You see, this is you have to slide it with 3 inches and slide it to this place. This is chest line, waist line, and this is the hip. How to get your hip? You measure from the end of the blouse to the 10 inches. When you measure 10 inches, that 10, you rule a line. That 10 will be your waist, your hip. So what I did is this. I measure from the shoulder. I get the shoulder. The shoulder of the person is 19. 19 divided into 2, you get 9.5. Look at the 9. You add half inch to make it 10 for sewing allowance. I come to the chest. The chest line, I measure the person's chest is 51. 51 divided into 2. You get 25 and a half. I normally added 3 for my sewing allowance plus 3. You get 28 and a half. Divided the 28 and a half into 2. You get 14 and 3/4. Look at 14 and 3/4 here. 14 and 3/4. This thing I did, the allowance is added. You don't need to add no allowance. Look at it here. So you come to the waist. The person's waist is 45. 45 divided into 2. You get 22 and a half. Plus 3. You get 25. Divided into 2. You get 14 and a half. Look at the 14 and a half. I've already marked it. 14 and a half. I've already marked it. You come to that place that will be your opening. Use it as a hip. Hip and the chest is normally the same thing. Look at it here. You do it. Then you connect. When you want to connect first before you can do the neck. See? You use your covering, if you have it, to do your armhole. You see? See your armhole. So, how to get your neck? The neck, you measure 2.5 inward. You see, 2.5 inward. Come down, I measure 5 because the person's neck is 19. Then, that's it. Then you cut. This is the front. I don't want it to be a long